Hello, I'm Emily with ImagineIF Libraries. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with Lynda.com from LinkedIn. Lynda.com offers web courses led by industry experts that can help you build skills to further your personal and professional goals. To get started, click the link found on our website at ImagineIFlibraries.org. You need to have a library card in order to access Lynda.com through ImagineIF. If you do not currently have a library card, there's a link in the video description below to another tutorial showing how to sign up for a library card online. If it's your first time using Lynda.com, your first step will be to create a profile. Enter your library card number and create a password. Click Create Profile. If you've had a Lynda.com account in the past, you may sync that account to your library card. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in your name and email address. Do so and click Save. Now you have over 16,000 online courses available for you to choose from. Subjects range from software programs like Excel, Photoshop, and Zoom, to skills like leadership, teamwork, and time management. Search for a topic you're interested in. When you found a course you'd like to pursue, click on it. You can see information about the course, including who the instructor is, and about how long it will take to complete. You can also view a transcript of the video, download the video files for offline viewing, and access any supplemental files provided. When you're ready, click Watch Now. The courses are formatted as multiple short video segments, which you can navigate via the Contents menu on the left of the screen. If you want to save a course to come back to later, you can add it to a playlist using the button in the upper right area of the screen. Add it to your default playlist or create a custom playlist that suits your needs. You can access all of your saved courses through your account. Your progress in the course will save automatically, so you can take a break when you need to and come back to it later. Lynda.com has thousands of classes for you to explore. What will you discover? Thanks for watching.